Hey guys, welcome to this video, and I have got here with me Xiaomi Mi A1 running on Android 1. So this is pure Android straight from Google. I'm loving it already. So as usual, it's time to test Mi A1 for its USB OTG support. So I've got this USB here. I'm going to connect it with this Mi A1 and we will see whether it supports USB OTG or not. So let's go ahead with this and connect it, and now we have to wait. And there we go, it has detected USB OTG, and okay, so it's saying it's unsupported HP USB drive. So I have to format it if I have to use it. So I'm not going to do that because I haven't backed up all the data on this USB OTG. It seems like this phone does support USB OTG, but for some strange reason, it's asking me to format my USB. So there you go guys, Mi A1 supports USB OTG, but not this one, the one that I have. So if any of you guys have been using USB OTG with this phone, let us know in the comments. And that's about it from this video guys. If you have any questions about this phone, let me know in the comments, or you can catch me up on Twitter as well. The links will be in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.